Okay, so this is the home screen. You can see it just gives a brief description about what it's on and what it's about. Then there's an all about me, just some information about myself, Web 2.0 resources, so things that are very helpful that we learned about. So Blogger, Google Docs, these are all the things you can use to help you. Favorites, so this was curated from myself and others. Top resources. Then I have our technology projects page, which shows the pictures and the biome story. Our digital story on pollution solution. Mobile app presentation on using Nearpod. PLN and PLE. And a brief overview of mine, my personal ones, and reflections for blogs, curation tools, and microblogs. Website evaluation on National Geographic Kids and why it's a useful website. In our evaluation, so we have my Apple Teacher certification and my completed courses, and then the screencast that I'm doing right now. So the website was very useful and helpful. We learned a lot in this class, and so it's a nice way to have it all put together in one place. Thank you.